In this video, we will talk about how to create new user account on Windows 10. Click on Windows icon. Take your cursor on gear icon and open Settings. Open Accounts. On the left, select Family and Other Users. Click on plus icon to add someone else to this PC. If you want to create a new Microsoft account, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Here, you can select Get a new email address to log in Windows 10 with email account. Or you can select Add a user without a Microsoft account to set up local account. Type your username, then password, and re-enter the password for the confirmation. Either you can leave it blank if you do not want any password. Now click on Next to create a new local account. Here you can see our new local account ready. So that's how you can create new user account on Windows 10. See you in the next video.